Trust High Five for all your car needs. High Five's lube and 15-point service check by our trained technicians will have your car running like new. We feature Castrol motor oil. Every oil change comes with a free car wash. With a High Five wash, your car will shine bright. And with every car wash, receive a $5 coupon off your next oil change. Ask about detailing for that extra shine. We feature only Armor All products. Check out our weekday specials. No matter what you drive, keep your car alive at High Five Car Wash and Lube, 541 North 3rd Street, Newark.